Hi everyone, today I'll be filming a lingerie trial haul from MARIEMUR, so let's get started. So here's the box, MARIEMUR. I absolutely love how they package everything. The box in red is literally perfection. It makes it super spicy. So let's open her up. We got two different types of lingerie. So first of all, we're gonna start off with the best lingerie, which is the harness. It comes in this really nice little dust bag. Everything from this brand is super nice, high quality. So the first item I'll be showing you guys is a harness. Ooh. Oh my god, that's a lot going on here. So here's the little choker. I absolutely love how soft the fabric is right here. So you already know it's going to be really nice and gentle on your skin. Love the red. I usually go for black, but this time I wanted to go a little bit more spicy. And with the red, it definitely gives you more of that spicy feel. Now this is like the harness. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but the hardware is amazing. I absolutely love the gold detailing. I love the material, like it's all really nice and shiny. Like the gold buckles are so amazing. I don't really know like how I'm gonna put this on. It looks pretty confusing, so we're about to see it once I try it on. But it does come with like a bottom harness and a top harness. So this is the top right here. It's kind of like a bra, and again with the really soft material on the inside here. Very, very high quality and beautiful. I mean, this is definitely a super hot lingerie that, you know, you can't miss. Once you wear this, you can't like have better than this. To be honest, like this is probably the best lingerie I own from MARIEMUR. They always look amazing and spicy and everything I love. So I can love it. I can't wait to try it on. And of course, I also got some other little lingerie, but the best part is the harness. I love the harness. I don't really know what this is for actually. I thought it was a choker, but I think it might be for something else. Maybe, you know, to tie up your wrists. We shall see. I'm gonna see how I apply all this on my body. So I'll be back. I'm gonna try it on. Next, I have another dust bag with more lingerie. Now this one is more of your traditional lingerie set. So I got this fishnet looking dress. It's a fishnet dress. It looks really tiny, but it's definitely gonna fit me because it is really stretchy. But look how small. It literally looks like I will not fit. It's smaller than my arm, but I'll definitely fit. It's a mini dress, all fishnet fabric. And of course, it's gonna look super, super hot, especially with the harness on. I can't wait. We're gonna try this on with the harness, so let's go and do it. Now this one also has these little, I don't even know what this is called. Like, I guess you put this around your thigh. It looks really small, but I'm definitely gonna fit because it is like stretchy fabric. I absolutely love this mesh fabric. It is super soft and see-through. Love the different color right here with this nude and black. It looks amazing. It's definitely gonna feel really good because it's super soft. So can't wait to try this on with the harness. So let's go and do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. Let me know which look was your favorite. Other than that, I'll catch you in my next one.